Today, I'm going to show you how to log into your Discord account step by step, whether you're using Discord in your browser or the desktop app. This is a quick tutorial, but I'll walk you through everything so you can get signed in without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, just like this. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. You can either go to the Discord website in your browser or open the Discord desktop app if you already have it installed. Once Discord opens, you'll see the login screen. On this page, the first thing you need to do is enter the email address or phone number connected to your Discord account. Make sure you type it correctly because even a small mistake can stop you from signing in. After that, go to the password field and enter your Discord password. If you're on a shared computer, double-check that your password is typed correctly before you continue. Next, click the login button. In most cases, that will take you straight into your Discord account. But if you have two-factor authentication enabled, there is one extra step. Discord will ask you to enter a 6-digit authentication code from your Authenticator app. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, find the Discord code, and type it into the verification box. These codes change regularly, so use the most current one shown in the app. After entering the code, click Login again. Once that's done, Discord will verify your account and sign you in successfully. If you ever have trouble logging in, just make sure your email, password, and authentication code are all correct and that you're using the right account details. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into your Discord account on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide.